What's up everyone, Filmstruck is here. Welcome back to yet another video on IPL Info. Today we are going to look at the do or die match between Sunrisers Hyderabad and Rajasthan Royals together. We'll be looking at face-to-face, batting and bowling strengths, Dream 11 favorites, tug of war and also the pitch review. Please stay tuned for the match prediction till the end of this video. Now these teams came face-to-face 12 matches and have an even winning record of 6 matches each. That's some serious competition. Sunrisers' highest score against Royals is 201, whereas Royals just scored a highest score of 198 against Sunrisers. And these are the probable 11 for RR led by Australian captain Steve Smith. These are the probable 11 for SRH led by dashing captain David Warner. Okay, now for the batting lineup of Royals, we got Ben Stokes available for the power hitting for Royals. Uthappa is moved to the top in the order and Josh Buttler to the middle. Yes, now Buttler and Steve Smith can guide the team to the victories from the middle. Coming to the batting lineup of Sunrisers, Warner almost pulled off a brilliant win in the previous match by batting in the middle order. We have to watch out for his batting position in this match though. Warner and Bairstow are the best batsmen in the team by a huge margin. Kane Williamson is another batsman of class, but he hobbled around the crease in the previous match before he got out. Yes, you guessed it right, missing this match is a possibility. Manish Pandey, Vijay Shankar, Priyam Garg did not put on the show with their bat in this season. That's a concern to be addressed by SRH. Coming to the bowling lineup, Royals have Ben Stokes who bowled 3 overs for not too many runs. Rahul Tewatia and Shreyas Gopal were brilliant in the middle, and the presence of Jofra Archer gives RR a wicket-taking yorker. Coming to the bowling lineup of SRH, Vijay Shankar bowled his 4 overs for just about 4 runs an over. But that is not likely to happen too many times. Rashid Khan is world class, but he can be taken for runs as KKR showed in the previous match. And there is no one else to back him up. Natarajan is not good enough against most lineups. And finally, looking at the favourites for Dream 11, for SRH we have David Warner, Manish Pandey as batsman, Rashid Khan for bowling, Johnny Bairstow as wicketkeeper. For Royals, Steve Smith, Josh Buttler as batsman, Jofra Archer as bowler, Rahul Tewatia as an all-rounder. Looking at the tug of war between these teams, we got Jofra Archer who is gonna be hard on Bairstow, who has been the informed batsman for Sunrisers Hyderabad. Speaking about the pitch, the match will be played on Dubai International Cricket Stadium, Dubai. The average first innings score at the venue being 174, the bowlers have been successful at this venue. Despite all this, Sunrisers has been dependent on Warner and Bairstow in this IPL so far, whereas Royals has the stronger batting lineup when compared to Sunrisers. The bowling attack of the both teams is a bit weak, but Archer gives Royals an upper hand. Let's see whether RR wins this match as well or Sunrisers will take revenge for their loss in the previous match. Yeah, let's watch. That's all you need to know about the match between Sunrisers Hyderabad and Rajasthan Royals from IPL Info. If you like this video, don't remember the name Filmstruck. I think I got your attention. Yeah, who would say that? Just remember the name Filmstruck. Jai Hind.